Hi, welcome to Frugal Fun Houston. I'm Sheila, and today's video are the best free boat tours and ferries in the Houston-Galveston area. Drop a comment and let us know what your favorite free boat tour is in the city. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for new videos. This is one of my favorite boat tours. The tour guys are really knowledgeable about the area, and this one was about a 45-minute tour. I love filming in Galveston. It's always beautiful. The girls and I take this ferry ride at least twice a year. And at number 1, we have the Sam Houston Boat Tour at the Port of Houston. This one is well worth the weeks in advance you'll have to reserve it for.